Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Baby Maya Moska from For Globe. I will read the paragraph text aloud. Award the Nobel Prize for Physics in 1918. German physicist Max Planck is best remembered as the originator of the quantum theory. His work helped usher in a new era in theoretical physics and revolutionized the scientific community's understanding of atomic and subatomic processes. Planck introduced an idea that added to the quantum theory, which became the foundation of 20th century physics in December 1919. Planck worked out an equation that described the distribution of radiation accurately over the range of low to high frequency. Had developed a theory which depended on a model of matter that seemed very strange at the time. The model required the emission of electromagnetic radiation in small chunks or particles. These particles were later called quantums. The energy associated with each quantum is measured by multiplying the frequency of the radiation V by a universal constant h. This energy or E equals hV. The constant h is known as Planck's constant. It is now recognized as one of the fundamental constants of the world. Planck announced his finding in 1900, but it was years before the full consequences of this revolutionary quantum theory were recognized. Throughout his life, Planck made significant contributions to optics, thermodynamics and statistical mechanics, physical chemistry, and other fields. In 1930, he was elected president of the Kaiser Wilhelm Society, which has renamed the Max II. Though deeply opposed to the fascist regime of Adolf Hitler, Planck remained in Germany throughout the war. He died in Göttingen on October 4, 1947. Thank you.
Okay, I'm here to read the question. In number 1 is, in which of the following field did Max Planck not make a significant contribution? The answer is D. Biology. Number 2. The word revolutionary, as used in line 13, means C. Momentous. Number 3. It can infer from the passage that Planck's work led to the development of which of the following? The answer is B. The atomic bomb. Number 4. The particle of electromagnetic radiation given off by matter are known as A. The answer is A. Quantum. Number 5. The word universal, as used in line 10, most nearly means. The answer is D. Always present. And the next question I threw at Dia. Okay, thanks.
Number 6. The implication in this passage is that the answer is theory which led to the development of 20th century physics is basically a mathematical formula. Number 7. An idea, as used in line 4, refers to the answer is D. The equation that describes the distribution of radiation accurately over the range of low to high frequency. Number 8. The word emission, as used in line 8, means A. Giving off. Number 9. Planck's constant expressed in a mathematical formula is D. Number 10. What is known as Planck's constant? The answer is B.
Okay, I will give the reasons for Muhammad Faisal Al-Ghifari answer. Number 1, Faisal Al-Ghifari answer is D, because apabila Anda membaca dengan cermat beberapa paragraf di atas, maka Anda dapat menemukan jawaban nomor 1 pada paragraf terakhir, di mana menyatakan 4 bidang yang dikontribusikan oleh Planck dan bidang biologi tidak disebut dalam paragraf tersebut sebagai kontribusi Planck. Number 2, Faisal Al-Ghifari answer is C, because dapat dilihat penemuan Planck bersifat positif, sehingga Anda memerlukan kata yang memiliki sifat positif dari keempat opsi tersebut. Oleh karena itu, revolutionary memiliki arti yang hampir sama dengan momentum. Number 3, Faisal Al-Ghifari answer is B, because paragraf pertama menyatakan hasil karya Planck memberikan jalan ditemukan bom atom dan bukan merupakan ke dalam penemuan-penemuan lain yang diakibatkan oleh percobaan Planck, seperti yang disebutkan oleh paragraf revolutionist the scientific community's understanding of atomic and subatomic process. Number 4, Faisal Al-Ghifari answer is A, because bacaan di atas secara langsung menyatakan bahwa partikel dari elektromagnetik radiasi dinamakan quantums. Number 5, Faisal Al-Ghifari answer is D, because dari opsi jawaban pada soal tersebut maka always present yang memiliki kesesuaian dengan universal, sebab opsi jawaban yang lain berkaitan dengan istilah geografi atau astronomi yang membuatnya tidak sesuai apabila disamakan dengan arti universal. Okay, I will give the reason for Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer. Number 6, Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer is B, because kalimat thus energy or E equal hv sudah cukup mewakili apabila teori kuantum merupakan ilmu matematika dasar, bukan yang lainnya. Number 7, Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer is D, because keempat opsi jawaban memang terdapat dalam paragraf semua. Akan tetapi opsi jawaban D merupakan opsi yang paling tepat karena idea lebih merujuk pada equations. Okay, 8. Number 8, Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer is A, because gerakan yang digunakan dalam frasa adalah giving off, maka pada kalimat required the emissions of electromagnetic radiation in small chunk or particle telah membuktikannya. Okay, number 9, Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer is D, because thus energy or E equals hv merupakan bentuk kata dari persamaan A sama dengan hv, maka opsi jawaban D pilihan yang paling tepat. And the last, number 10, Siti Rodiyatus Solehah answer is B, because the consonant The constant H is known as Planck's constant, merupakan bukti kalimat yang menyatakan B, H sebagai jawaban yang benar. Oke, thank you.